Hey friends, if you encounter the error, Windows cannot apply all of the properties for this device, code 50, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, let's say this issue is for a specific driver. Let's say it's for the camera driver. So, the first solution will be to reinstall the driver. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Now, expand the list of camera drivers. Right click on the camera driver, select uninstall device, uninstall it, and wait till the page reloads and this driver is gone. Now click on action and select scan for hardware changes. Once this is done, you can also restart your computer. So right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart. The next solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command msdt .exe space -id space device diagnostic and hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next and it will start running it. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.